Are you looking for the best fitness trackers? In this video we will look at some of the best fitness trackers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fitbit Charge 6. A more subtle-looking fitness band alternative is the $150 Garmin vívosmart 5. It's thinner than the Fitbit Charge 6 and fits in a bit better with bracelets and other jewelry you might wear regularly. But its attractive design is only part of its appeal. Garmin knows how to track fitness, and the vívosmart 5 is proof that you don't need to drop hundreds on one of the company's in-depth fitness watches to get a capable device. It has a lot of the same features as the Charge 6, except for a built-in GPS. It does support connected GPS, though, so you can map outdoor runs and bike rides as long as you bring your phone with you. The vívosmart 5 tracks all-day heart rhythm and activity, plus sleep data and workouts, and we've always appreciated how many workout profiles Garmin has to choose from. You can customize which show up on your device and change them whenever you want. You'll also get additional health and wellness information like Garmin's body battery score, which tells you how long after a hard workout you'll need to wait until you can train at peak performance again, blood oxygen levels, sleep stage data, women's menstrual cycle monitoring and more. The biggest disadvantages to fitness tracking with the vívosmart 5 are the aforementioned lack of built-in GPS, plus its slightly harder to use mobile app. But on the flip side, Garmin devices can sync with Apple Health, whereas Fitbit devices still don't have that feature. Number 2. Garmin vívosmart 5. Gadget tested some of the cheapest fitness trackers you can buy, all coming in at under $100. At the top of the list is the Xiaomi Band 8, which beat the Fitbit Inspire 3 and the Amazfit Band 7, namely due to its many sport tracking modes, unique pebble running mode and free and accurate sleep monitoring features. It's also quite comfortable and fairly stylish with its sleek and nimble design. It also has a quick charge feature that makes it easy to wear for 10 to 14 days, depending on usage, before it runs out of juice. Importantly, the watch made it really easy to track niche exercises straight on the watch face without being too distracting during workouts. Pebble mode is a standout feature as it lets you attach the tracker to your shoe using the included running clip accessory, and it did a good job of reporting information about your pace and cadence directly on the display upon completing a run. More detailed insights are also viewable on your smartphone through the Mi Companion app. When the Band 8 is on your wrist, it makes it easy to set up workout goals related to time, distance, or calories burned per session for activities like deadlifting or skateboarding. While the Amazfit Band 7 was only beaten by a hair in terms of its exercise tracking capabilities, the Xiaomi Band 8 had a real edge when compared to the Fitbit Inspire 3. Whereas Fitbit's device was limited to only 6 preloaded exercise shortcuts, the Xiaomi Band 8 had more than 150 exercises you could track directly on the wearable straight out of the box. The Inspire 3 also blocked me from getting more detailed insights about my sleep and recovery because that information lives behind the Fitbit Premium paywall. Xiaomi's devices, on the other hand, provided in-depth sleep reports with curated advice on how to improve your resting hours free of charge. Malek Saleh, reporter. Easy to use, comfortable smart fitness tracker, once set up through the Garmin Connect app, has a touchscreen and button interface plus a brighter, bigger display than vívosmart 4 for larger text, supported application sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, GPS fitness tracker, contacts, messages, calendar. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Get an uninterrupted picture of your health with up to 7 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, safe for swimming and showering, too. Number 3. Xiaomi Mi Band 8. All of the previously mentioned fitness trackers are attractive in their own way, bonus points to those that have interchangeable bands, but they share a similar look. There aren't many alternative designs for these devices anymore. The $70 Withings MoveWatch is an exception, and one of the most traditionally fashionable fitness trackers you can get. It's an analog watch face with a couple of health monitoring features including step, calorie, distance and sleep tracking, connected GPS, auto recognition for more than 30 workouts and a water-resistant design. But we really love it for its long battery life. It'll last up to 18 months before the coin cell needs a replacement. The upgraded Xiaomi Wristband features a brand new quick-release structure, which not only allows for easy replacement, but also frees up the surrounding constraints of the wristband, achieving more material freedom for the wristband, the exquisite body showcases a fashionable metallic texture, bringing for the first time two new mid-frame colors of light gold and bright black. Water resistance level, water resistant. Band, color, black. Download Zepp Life app to globalize it. Number 4. Apple MacBook Air, 13.6-inch, M2. The 10th Gen Apple iPad is on sale for $349 at Amazon and Best Buy, which matches the lowest price we've seen from major retailers. Apple sells the 10.9-inch tablet for $449, though we often see it drop between $350 and $429 on Amazon. This deal is for the base model with 64GB of storage. If you need more space, the 256GB model is also $100 off its MSRP at $499. Before you pull the trigger, note that Apple reportedly plans to release new iPad Airs and iPad Pros in early May. If you don't need a new tablet right this second, it's probably best to wait a few weeks. However, a refresh to the base iPad isn't expected until later in 2024, so this should remain a decent deal if you must buy a slate today and want to stay under $400. We gave the 10th Gen iPad a review score of 85 in late 2022. Its aluminum design feels premium, it gets a solid 10+ hours of battery life, and its A14 Bionic chip is still plenty fast for media consumption. Because its webcam is located on its landscape edge, it's also a bit more convenient for video calls than other iPads. That said, it doesn't support the highest-end Apple Pencil or Magic Keyboard, and its lack of an M-series chip means it can't work with some high-end games. Its display isn't laminated either, so there's a small but noticeable air gap between the display and cover glass. Still, it's an iPad, and it's a noticeable upgrade over the cheaper 9th Gen model if you just want a nice tablet for reading and streaming. Strikingly thin design, the redesigned MacBook Air is more portable than ever and weighs just 2.7 pounds. It's the incredibly capable laptop that lets you work, play, or create just about anything, anywhere. Supercharged by M2, get more done faster with a next-generation 8-core CPU, up to 10-core GPU and up to 24GB of unified memory.